Located just outside of Esch-sur-Alzette, Belval is one of the most up-and-coming areas of Luxembourg. Once the home of blast furnaces for the mining industry, today it is the home of the brand new University of Luxembourg, one of the most promising, fast-growing universities in the world. Here in Belval, it is now a center of education, culture, and innovation. So what you've probably already noticed is the University of Luxembourg's campus is beautiful, but it also incorporates a lot of very industrial style. You might be wondering why. So let's go back in time. Starting in around the 1870s, the mining industry in this area of Luxembourg started to create the nation's riches, and this continued on until about the 1970s. Starting from the 1970s, the mining activity really started to move away from this area, and then this area was left rather empty, but with all these large structures. So the goal in creating the University of Luxembourg in this site is to take a uniquely Luxembourgish approach to combine the past with the innovation of the future to create this beautiful space. Located on the campus of the University of Luxembourg is Technoport, which is really an example of Luxembourg's commitment to innovation. Here you find an incubator and co-working space focused on bringing companies from all around the world to do their innovation in Luxembourg, from 3D printing to Luxembourg's promising space industry companies. Founded in 2003, the University of Luxembourg has quickly risen up the ranks to be one of the top-ranked new universities in the world, and it's also ranked as one of the most international universities in the world. And what you might not believe if you are an American is that it's only about $600 a semester before any financial aid. Even if you don't have college-age kids, I think it's totally worth coming to make a visit to the University of Luxembourg. It is a place that for me makes me the most proud to be Luxembourgish. When you come here, you truly know that this is a country with a vision for its future, which is really what you can find in the programs here. It's one of the first schools in the world, for example, to have a master's degree in space business. It's also about to launch 4 pre-med programs in the next school year. Located just outside the train stop at Belval Université, you'll find the Rock Hall, the largest concert venue in Luxembourg. So when you're here visiting Luxembourg, you should definitely check out the schedule for the Rock Hall to find out if there's any concerts you would like to see. It's a great way to get a local experience. Join us for our next video as we check out the castles in Luxembourg's north.